Hi, this is Zak Mir with the US Chartbreakers here at Zak's Traders Cafe, the weekend edition for Sunday, the 21st of September. Starting off with the S&P, which ended the week on a decent note, up nearly 0.5% and heading towards the rising April trend channel top there at 67.80. We're looking for that by the end of next month, or hopefully even sooner, the way things are going. On the downside, ideally we stay above recent support, 65.50, which was also ties in with the initial September resistance 65.40. There is a rug pull, and the worst we're expecting now is a move towards the 50-day moving average in the floor of the channel there at 64.20. Basically, we've had a decent push higher since the break of that RSI resistance line falling through the low 60s. Moving on to the situation at the Nasdaq 100, where obviously we've been peppered in the media by talk of an AI bubble bursting, and obviously that's coincided with this market going to record highs. Top of the channel there from back in April to around the 25,000 level. That's our initial target. Hopefully we'll get there by the end of this month. By the end of next month, looking for 26,000. Even if there's the old rug pull in the meantime, back towards the 24,000 area, which was resistance in August and has been a recent support in recent days. Moving on to the situation at the stocks, and starting off with one that hopefully will deliver the goods over the near term. And here you can see that it's ARB. Here we've got a decent falling wedge situation, breaking through the 50-day line there at around the $4.90 area, and we're looking for that to push the shares back up towards the top of that wedge, currently as high as $9 by the end of next month. The key here is remaining on the right side of $5.50, which was basically the late July, early August resistance for this market. Next on the list is another stock beginning with A, and we've got Abits. Here you can see there's been a proper breakthrough through the $6 area resistance just above that level, and above that looking for the top of the channel there from back in March as high as $11.20, and we're looking for that by the end of next month while we remain above that old peak there at $6, just under $6.08. Strangely named company coming up next, which is Fatpipe, but one should obviously take it very seriously in terms of the latest rebound that we've got through the $8.20 area. Above that, obviously, we were already looking for a retest of the 200-day line at just over $10. Best case, though, is we get up to $15 by the end of next month, if we can stay on the right side of that $8.20 zone. Nice situation at the following stock, which is Oklo, and here you can see why the share is heading up to the top of that initial target there, the rising trend channel target around the $135 zone, looking for this stock to get up to $200 by the end of next month if we can get a proper clearance of that $135 to $140 area. Moving along to a stock which is quite famous at the moment and probably will continue to be, which is Intel. Here you can see we've got a rising trend channel. Top of the channel has just been hit during the week around the $32 level. We're looking for a retest of that, especially while we can remain above recent broken resistance around $27.50. So hopefully there is any pullback towards that area, then that would be a buying opportunity for a continuation back up to retest the best levels. Not quite so famous is the next stock, which is Quantum, and here you can see that we've got a broadening triangle base. The top of that triangle currently heading towards the $16 area. We're looking for that by the rather $18 area. We're looking for that by the end of next month, especially while we remain above recent broken resistance on the way down at $10.70 on an end of day close basis. That was the resistance that we had in the second half of June. We looked at the following stock a few times before, which is SIAHEAT or SIAHEAT, and here you can see that we're having another go with this V-shaped or U-shaped bull flag to test the main top of the range there towards $15. We're looking at that by the end of next month while we remain above the 200-day moving average at $8 or in the $8.50 zone. The plus point here at the moment, apart from the breaking of the 200-day line, it's a double bounce off RSI 50, which tends to be a decent leading indicator on the upside. Moving along to Tharimmune, and here, after a rather painful pullback and a bull trap, we've got the shares bouncing off the 50-day moving average at $2.63, and above that, looking for the old previous target there, $4.43, hopefully by the end of this month, so giving the shares a bit of time. A repeat viewing of this stock as well, which is Veritone here. We've cleared the first target there, which was around $4.24, and looking for the next level up, which is the upper parallel of that rising trend channel base, as high as $6.80, hopefully by the end of next month or even sooner. You can see multiple RSI 50 rebounds towards that neutral 50 area. Finishing off with a stock which is new to me and probably maybe new to most people as well. It's VerifyMe. Here we've got a rising trend channel base, top of the channel there, heading for the $1.60 area, which we're looking for hopefully by the end of this month, while we're above recent broken resistance around $1.10 to $1.15 on an end of day close basis. That's from me today. More updates over the course of the week.